Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's your boy Jay Stein checking in with a little pre-market update. Actually, this is shoot number 2. The first shoot was a great video. Just I misspoke a little bit, if you would. Totally dark, totally stormy, beautiful day. Got my coffee rolling. Let's kick this thing off. All right, first things first. The VIX. The VIX is up by 1.5%. Who cares? Basically, what's happening is the S&P is pretty much giving back its gains from yesterday. The reason being, and what I believe is happening, is apparently Janet Yellen and Jerome Powell, they're going to talk today. Okay? They're going to talk today. Now, I don't know if they're going to do the social distance webcam, or if they're actually going to be in the same room. Because if they're going to be in the same room, you're going to need more than just a regular little, face mask. You're going to need a full-on, full-face P99 respirator to block out the smell that those two are going to emit. Seriously. They both look like they smell horrible. Janet Yellen, I imagine the smell. I can't describe it though. She smells like she looks like she smells really, really bad. And Jay Powell looks like he just smells like urine, like a urinal that you would use in a urine, in a public restroom urinal, he reeks of urine, but then he sprays on some cologne, some minty type cologne. So then he gives off this, kind of wafty, urinal smell mixed with Janet Yellen's stink. Oh. And I have no idea what they're going to talk about. Somebody else does. I don't know. Whatever. I'm still drinking coffee. But yeah, so they're coming out. Stock market is a little shaky on that news. So that's basically what's happening with that. Let's see here. Our dollar is it's up by about almost 0.5%, and our yields are holding steady right at, on the 10-year, 1.64, which is good. That's definitely under that 1.7 mark, which is good. But because of Yellen and, Jerome Powell, because they're talking, I think that's going to be, that's what's holding everything back. Fun fact, my girl, she's one of my girlfriends, all right, Meg Terrell from CNBC, yeah, she's one of my girlfriends. She came out. I was just watching a little interview. AstraZeneca apparently is dumping today because of questionability of whether or not their vaccine works or is safe so anybody that was watching yesterday, which was 8 people or something, which thank you, by the way, I really appreciate that. It was a quick day trade. It was my pick of the day. Had the news story, had the fundamentals, had the technicals, in, out, 4%, 4.5%, beautiful, love it, take it all day. It's giving it all back. It's tanking, good, let it go. Freaking screw big pharma, unless I can make a penny on it, unless people are dying, in which case that's not very cool. I don't like to make money off people dying. Anyway, so that's kind of what's happening on that end. What else do we have to talk about? Oil is actually down almost 4%, which is a little crazy given all the conflict going on over there. Earnings, we have Adobe, which is reporting their earnings today. Definitely keep an eye on that. Oh, and GameStop, their earnings are coming out, so that should be interesting to care about, if you do care about it, which I don't. I think it's stupid. I think it's really stupid. Am I a little bit bitter that I made money on it, I lost money, I made money, I doubled my money? Still, it's stupid. Amateurs. Shut up, Donnie! You're a freaking amateur! Leave a comment if you know what that quote comes from, okay? You're out of your league, Donnie! But Adobe is kicking off. Look, Adobe is actually not in a horrible position if you're already in it. I don't know whether or not I'd want to buy it right this very second. But at the same time, hey, the earnings are coming out. Let's see what happens. C'est la vie. And then as far as like index reports and stuff like that, we have current account balance index coming out. I don't even know what that means. I have no idea. I mean, if they're looking at my account balance, holy shit, that is going to be one bad number. Oh man, that's not going to be good at all. But we'll see. That information is going to be coming out in like a few minutes. What's it say? 8:30 Eastern. So yeah, in about an hour and 15 minutes. And then the one that actually does matter is the new home sales. I am literally waiting on one letter so I can file for my real estate agents so we can start freaking putting down for homes. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting on. So I need to see what that number is, and I hope it doesn't say, hey, you're screwed type of number. So we'll see. They're going to announce that at 10 o'clock Eastern, so that should be interesting. Other than that, everything else is normal. Stock pick of the day. Here we go. And this is what everybody's been waiting for. See, and I saved it to the end. See, I've been paying attention on media and how they do it and how they wait until the very, very end to tell you what you really want to know. Okay, check this out. Service Monkey. Ticker SVMK. Here's the deal, guys. The fundamentals on it, I'm not like thrilled about. Like, it doesn't necessarily like excite me in a blue pill kind of way. Like, it doesn't. Like, the balance sheet actually barely passes muster. Barely. But its saving grace is its chart. If you look at this chart and you actually, just look at the chart and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's beautiful. It's in a really good position, and I look forward to watching it, utilizing my strategy and determining whether or not I want to buy it. Use your own strategy. If it fits in and it looks like something you like and you like the price action of the day, hey, buy it up. Like I said, that's the stock that I'm watching. And otherwise, what do we have? Did we talk about Bitcoin yet? Bitcoin, I'm not happy about it right now. Like, I'm not. It frustrates me. It's still, and I'm going to tell myself this, it's still in its consolidation stage, which it is by all rights and respects. And I should count my blessings because I'm going to buy more of it today. And let's see if it goes up. And if it doesn't, then I'll buy more tomorrow. But it sucks. When you open up your software and you see the number I'm looking at, like, it's just doesn't make you feel, tingly, I don't know why I'm using that word so much today. I want to feel tingly. Anyways, so yeah, Service Monkey's where it's at. Bitcoin consolidating, everything else, okay, whatever. But ultimately, guys, let's find out what Janet Smellin and Jerome Powell, as in the smell Powell in your nose. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up at this point. Let's see what they have to say. I think that they busted out with a Fed president yesterday, and now they're busting out with these two today. Always makes me a little optimistic, and not optimistic. Makes me wonder, I suppose. Anyways, guys, I've got another stock that I'm watching. I'm going to do a video on here in a little bit, but like I said, stock to watch of the day, Service Monkey. Otherwise, guys, enjoy your day. Happy trading. Good luck, and I'll check in with you guys later.